Hello, welcome to a presentation on GuardTek SuperSkin, Australian designed and inspired high protection gloves for Australian conditions. You know, I'm often asked, why are our gloves better or different to all the other gloves on the market? And I think the best way to discuss this is to go back to where gloves began. And the traditional hand protection was pieces of material cut in a pattern that suited a hand and stitched together, which gave the ability to use inlay materials, different types of cuff, different lengths, also quite bulky and cumbersome on the fingers. The traditional leather rigger's glove is a part of that old school manufacturing technology. Sometime in the 80s, the industry evolved into a dipping process over the top of a cut and sewn liner. These gloves were generally fairly rigid, didn't allow for individual fit of finger. They were more or less one size fits all, but a glimpse of modern technology. Following on from that, really high quality knitting machines gave us the ability to stitch around the tips of the fingers without any seams. That gave us a nice smooth shock coating and some better protection on the fingertips and better fit and feel. The GuardTek SuperSkin has taken sports inspired clothing technology, looked at blending lycra and spandex together with hard wearing nylon to give us a liner that will stretch and conform and shape up to every single different hand. By the patented coating that we use in nitrile blended rubbers, we're able to get quite good dexterity through this skin forming technology. Now, the GuardTek SuperSkin glove is one of those gloves that requires a little bit of effort to get fitted onto the finger, but once it's had enough time on your hand for your body temperature to go to work on the nitrile rubbers, it starts to form and shape and actually moulds to every single line and crevice in your skin. So what we get is second skin protection. With the GuardTek SuperSkin, designed so you don't ever have to take it off to do anything, roofing screws, nail guns, electricians, putting bits of cable together and switchboard work. What other glove can you just do that with a paper clip? Perfect. Also, form fitting to the extent where you get no or little movement for working spanners or screwdrivers in the palm of the hand. Most every other glove in this style and all the many copies all wrap and form and actually become quite loose. The gloves are designed to be firm fitting. It's a part of the complete flexible design, and it's supporting your skin tissue and increasing blood flow, which is great for arthritis and also just general well-being of oxygenation of your skin and tissue. The second reason why we feel that this glove is a better performing glove than most of the others in the market is due to its stretchable technology. We can find that in real world situations, if you're working around sharp edge bits of steel, you might be an extrusion plant, you could be a roll forming operation, you may well be a roofing contractor doing sheet steel, tin roofs or gutter work. If you get a sharp edge of steel and a glove that's not flexible, you're going to end up punching holes in it, whereas the SuperSkin, because it flexes so far, its ability to just not snag is unbelievable. You further get a full representation of that when you look at industry leading general issue gloves. These are two of the big brand names. This is the SuperSkin. If we were to use a cut example, first you must pierce the product. That's a cut 2 glove, supposedly. Here's another one. Here's the SuperSkin. Quite a little bit better and only rated as a cut 1. In real life practical application, what we're seeing is not always does a laboratory test provide adequate representation of real world application. So there it is, the GuardTek SuperSkin. Antibacterially treated inside, self-sealing dust inhibitor cuff, It's oil and sludge treated on the outside to stop mud going through. Also available in high-vis reflective and in half coat for that extra protection on the back of the hand. For more information, see us at www.pipaust.com. See you next time.